In Microsoft Excel, whenever you're working with numbers, and let's say you select any sort of numbers, now at the right bottom of your screen, you can see some aggregate functions like average, count, maximum, and sum. And if you're going to make a right click here, you can add some other aggregate functions also like minimum and numerical count. But do you know if you're going to hold your cursor on any of these function, let's say if I hold down my cursor on sum 161 and I press Ctrl C, so if I'm going to paste it here, I can have the number. Similarly, let's say if I want to have the average of these numbers, I'm going to hold down my cursor on the average. I'm going to press Ctrl C and now I can paste it right here.